If this is good enough for you, good enough for me. Just give me some time, a few days, let me liaise with King and get back to you. But one thing more you can understand, you see, what you see me doing right here, right now, this building here where we're sitting in right now, this will be the future bar. And this is not, what I'm planning on doing is that it's not just a bar, collaborating this into a whole entertainment center. And you fit the description what me I look for years now. Right? Fence, all wall. The bar right there is gonna be removed, maybe put something else there, so I'm not sure yet. One big entertainment center around here. Gaming machines, pool table, you name it. We are gonna have nightly events, karaoke night, bingo night, you name it. We just have to plan things, and you seem like somebody where know to get into it, and you maybe can give you some ideas too. Another thing though, you're not the type of person where just naked outrageous because I mean, I'm not telling you all of yourself, you know, but dress modest and nice and sexy. You have to dress sexy, you know, but the nakedness, you know, working in the inner city cause too much problem with the little careless corner boy.
Well, Auntie Jen, I'm not brag and I'm not boast. I'm perfect for the job because I do bottle service, I do mixed liquor, like sex on the beach, I know how to make this stuff, right? So, just link with King and then I get back to me.
You know, and somebody just go knock on the can't take a problem.
No, Auntie Jen, I'm just modest and sexy. That's why they call me Sexy Jen, don't you?
Hey!
No, Auntie Jen, you're nearly so like King.
Maybe because I'm a friend. Well, come let me show you the place so I can get more acquainted with it. Huh?
So, Auntie Jen, another day.
Come on, you keep that. When you go to it thoroughly, and sign it, take it back to me. You see how big it is, anything you understand on it, yeah, confirm it.
Okay.
What? I say I move. Yeah, big door. Hold on there, man. Am I third man? Can I get them, man?
No.
Oh, thanks. No, man. The shade in a go on, you know? Can't even rub off. Oh, yeah, the blend them in.
Well, I use 7B to 9B pencil.
That work? That bad. What? Am I happy with this? I like how you shade it still. I not rub it off, I move on for. I like it. The eagle himself. So where you get that yellow color here now?
A pencil crayon me use this for.
Just crayon? And on a special crayon? Cause the yellow here look real. The money here them look real.
Because me use two different colors to get them blended.
You know, like, yeah, go on, you know, my girl. I like it. Hold on there, how this?
Me not finish this.
Oh, alright. No one see no unfinished. Hold on there. A dimension, you go with that one, man. Y'all number it, you know?
Whisper, it's called a grid.
What do you mean, grid? Like, half the grid?
Grid that can keep the drawing in place.
Tony, you get better, you know?
Because me I practice.
So, how will you get time for this?
Like about 2, 3 a.m. in the morning when I put from carry come on.
Hold on there, so, officially live together now?
Not really, but from once him say I come over, I can't sleep until he reach home.
Oh, move over. Alright, so why you always draw when you have to get some rest?
Because at them time there, the inspiration come.
Yeah. When the inspiration forward, you just have to do a thing, you know.
Well, you just can't turn back creative energy.
Free thought that, you know. But in a real life, you're going with yourself. You sure bossy them, eh?
Yeah, she promised me say she'll get me the things that we need to give it a more professional look.
Yeah, man. I think you have to consider selling your art.
Selling? I don't reach a stage yet.